Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat stories not loading problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app. So from this section, if you want to check out somebody's stories or if you want to check out the videos, you can simply go ahead, tap on this little human icon on the right side of the camera, and here you will find the stories on top of people, right? So when you check out them, then you will have to simply go ahead, check out add them as friends, and you will be able to check out the videos as well. But let's say if you have not been able to check out their stories, right, and it's having a loading problem, that could be because your phone does not have a good internet connection. So what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead, long press on the Wi-Fi and change Wi-Fi network, or you can simply change to cellular data if that might work well. That's one thing what you can do. Then the next thing for you is simply go ahead and long press on particular app and then remove the app entirely or uninstall it, then reinstall the app, relog in, and that problem will also be removed like that. Next thing is you can go ahead, check out if your app is updated or not, because if your app is not updated, that could cause the problem. Go to App Store, type in Snapchat and see if it needs an update or not. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on update, and you're good to go. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.